Morning, everyone. It's about 8:35, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 830, and I'd appreciate if you like the work, hit that subscribe button. Okay, oil started the day down on COVID concerns, but has since turned up. And the chart on the screen is Bitcoin. And it looks like after having an quiet inside day yesterday, but closing about 3/4 up on the range, we've moved higher again. We have a slightly higher recovery high. The previous one was 35,635, and right now we're trading 35,810, up another 1285 with a high of 35,925. So it looks like they're trying to bottom it here and push it a little higher. There was some news about Cathie Woods being very bullish on it and filing for a Bitcoin ETF for her company. The big news this morning, though, there really wasn't much in the way of economic news. That is coming later. Case-Shiller price, FHFA pricing, those both come at 9 o'clock, and the Consumer Confidence Index doesn't get posted until 10 a.m. In the meantime, it's the financials, with Morgan Stanley up on a doubling of their dividend and a buyback. JP Morgan going from 90 cents to $1 on their quarterly dividend. Goldman Sachs going to $2 from $1.25, and also increasing buybacks. And the only one that's down is Citi, which left its dividend unchanged. The stock is down about 80 cents, nothing overwhelming, but we were actually long the Citi calls, made a nice profit on them, got out of them, and right now the stock itself is lower. Let's see by how much. Citi is 70.96, that's down 55 cents. We were in the calls and had let's see what the profit looked like. The profit on those calls was pretty nice, nothing overwhelming, but a solid gain. We paid 83 cents for them and got $1.29, so a 50% profit there. Okay, so besides that, we have Herman Miller, which missed on earnings. The stock closed 48.28, currently trading 46, down 228. Boeing is up a little, nothing like what it was down yesterday, on the fact that UAL is going to order 270 planes, 200 of them, it looks like, coming directly from Boeing, and the balance coming from Airbus. We have Google, Amazon, Apple, and Facebook in the sights of the Justice Department, looking again at more antitrust and anti-competitive practices. And we also had FactSet, symbol FDX, also miss on earnings. That stock is 336, down $1.30, so less than 0.3%, nothing overwhelming there. Ding Dong cuts their IPO size by 70% in China, and Duolingo, which is a language learning software program, also is set to do an IPO as early as today. As far as the futures opening, we have the S&P about unchanged. We have the Dow up about 88, and we have the NASDAQ down about 25. So not a lot of action there either. The trade that we put on yesterday is going to be testing us today. That was the gold, and bonds are down, so interest rates up, and it looks like they're going to break the gold. Unfortunately, we'll have to be out of that maybe today, depending upon the price action, but really unattractive right now. And that's about it. All right, everyone. I'll be back later on in the day. Don't forget to hit subscribe and be careful out there.